Good afternoon, Chip here with Hybrid and Electric Car Sales, coming to you from my shop in beautiful Franklin, Tennessee. What do I have today with me? I have Seal Coat Specialties. This is Northwest Wisconsin's #1 seal coat brand. They brought me their car to have their transmission replaced. They found us on YouTube, and that's what we're doing right now. We're installing a brand new hybrid transmission. Here's their old one. Here, follow me back here. This transmission stopped running. Well, it did run in here, but it was completely toast on the inside. This is the HF35. And this replacement is $5,100 if you want to have it done to your car. We take the time to swap it out. We do the diagnostics here for you also, and we do specialize in all of this. So if you need to tow your car in or ship it to us, we can also help accommodate that and get the repair done for you in a short time. So reach out to us at hybridandelectriccarsales.com. Give me a call at 615-802-5550, or come see us in person at 616 Bradley Court in beautiful Franklin, Tennessee. And check out Seal Coat Specialties if you're in Northwest Wisconsin. They can help you out. And if you see this car around, give them a honk. All right, I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great day.